What's up, internet friends? This is Lyle from Stone Glacier, and welcome to another episode of Awkwardly Cooking with Lyle. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes. It's called cheeseburger pie. I used to make this recipe back in college just a few years ago with my roommates. Super simple. So the first ingredient is going to be Bisquick, and then you're also going to need some type of ground meat. In this case, we'll be using whitetail buck that I harvested this year. So why don't you follow along and maybe we'll get it right. Other ingredients you're going to need: this onion, 5 eggs, salt, garlic, salt, pepper, cheese, mood juice. It's a stout onion. I'm not crying, you're crying. All right, so I chopped my onion up, threw it in this pan, a little olive oil on it, gonna start to brown it. Let that start going, and then we're gonna put in our meat. So I sweated my onions till I got them pretty sweaty, and then I put this burger on top, and then I realized my pan was too small. That's hot over there. Now we're gonna add in our spices. We got pepper, salt, garlic powder. Just mix that up, just mix it. All right, next step, we need to make our bun or the batter. We're gonna take 4 eggs, put them in this bowl. We're gonna take 4 cups of Bisquick, put them in this bowl. It's a little sticky. 2 cups of milk, put them in this bowl, bam. I like to stir with 2 hands because it's a lot, and I couldn't find anything else to stir with, so I found this paddle. All right, so the next step, if you were a skinny person, would be to drain all this fat off of there. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not skinny. So we're gonna take this meat, put it in the pan. Now, we will take some medium cheddar from the store. Put that in your pan. Now, we'll take some of the batter, or the bun if you will. We will fill in all those beautiful spaces. And you don't want to get it too full, because that will make a mess in your oven. Then your wife will be mad at you. Alright, and I like to go just a little more cheddar on the top, like so. Got everything in the pan there. Gonna put it in the oven, 375, 20-25 minutes-ish. You know, we'll see. And we're back, and now we'll take let's get this guy out. So it's been in here for a while, like 25 minutes or so. We pulled it out halfway, put some cheese on it. So we got that. The boys are on their way. Get ready, it's gonna be a feast. A feast for the boys. You good?
It looks delicious. And I'm gonna eat the out of it.
You're also gonna get 2 plates.
I like that as well.
There you go.
Some great stuff.
Amazing.
10 out of 10.
The salad's good.
It'll make a turd.
Best cheeseburger casserole I've ever had.
So good.
9.8.
That's pretty good. It tastes like mule deer though. I prefer it to be elk.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. 8-9. 8-9 all day.